Hey guys, today I will show you how to forward an entire email thread in Gmail without copying messages one by one. This is useful when you want to share the full conversation with a client or teammate. Start by opening Gmail on your computer for the best experience. Sign into your account and open the email conversation you want to forward. Make sure the full thread is expanded and all messages are visible. Scroll down if needed to confirm nothing is hidden. Now look at the top right corner of the email conversation and click the three dots menu next to the reply button and choose forward from the menu. Gmail will automatically combine the entire conversation into one forwarded email, and you will see all messages included in order from oldest to newest. Add the email address of the person you want to send the thread to, and you can also add a short note at the top for context. If there are attachments in the thread, Gmail includes them automatically, so double-check the attachments to make sure everything you need is there. Review the forwarded content for any private or sensitive information, and if needed, you can delete specific parts before sending. Once everything looks good, click Send, and the recipient will receive the full conversation in a single email. If you don't see forward, make sure Conversation View is enabled, and note that on mobile, this option may be limited or unavailable. For best results, always forward email threads from a desktop browser, as this method saves time and keeps communication clear and organized. If this video helped you, like and subscribe for more Gmail tips.